Here's my new tractor. See, it's brand new, brand spanking new. Let's go look inside of it. I like these new stairs because it actually, you don't have to actually put your leg up to get in it. He's got the buddy seat in here. Look at all this nice, pretty stuff. It's got that. It's even got a monitor system, which I don't really get. But yeah, it's got one of these little cold storage units in here. It's got one of these little cool flash drive thingies. It's even got a nice Dolphine stereo system. It's got even some walkie-talkies. It's even got a charging system for